Hello guys, how to set up Google Ads conversion inside of Google. What I mean by Google Ad conversion, anytime you have someone calling a phone number to get result like this on market call, as you can see this result, let me just refresh for you. I just refresh it. To have this type of result, I'm going to show you how to set up conversion inside of Google. Because if people call on a phone number, Google can track it and let you know if this call is already a conversion for you. That means if you already make money. Let me show you very quick. So if I go to Google right now, when I'm in Google Ads, I'm going to go to Tools. When I'm in Tools, I'm going to go to Measurement. Inside of Measurement, I'm going to go to Conversion. You see right here, I click on Conversion. This is where I set up conversion for every pay-per-call ads that I want. And I want Google to determine if these people spend like 60 seconds or 90 seconds, 120 seconds on the phone. And if that happens, I know that I have a conversion. And if I have a conversion, that means I don't have to go to OfferVault or to Market Call, any other places that I have pay-per-call ads to know that I'm profitable. So this is what we're going to show you very quickly in this short video. So wait until Google download everything, because Google take time to download. By the way, let me show you inside of my Market Call some of the best offer that I just selected. So you can see I select calls instead of leads. I select home services, and I prefer to take like paid search, and I have this result you see right here. You can see plumbing, they're gonna pay like $19, $36, $36. That's for home insurance. Solar panel, people now switch to solar panel right now. So they pay over $30. Working turbs, $25. Home warranty, $40. If you can have people to go for home warranties, HVAC, $32. So to do so, you will need to run Google Ads. And if you need help, you can contact me for some coaching where I will help you live to set up your campaign. So let's see how to do this in Google. So now we are in conversion. When you click on Tools, you go to Measurement, and you go to Conversion, you're going to go there. So here you click on New Conversion. When you type in New Conversion, you will have to add a new conversion right here. Let me put me right here so you can see how I'm going to set up the conversion. So it's like you're going to tell Google, everyone that called this phone number that I set up with you, I want you to count them as a conversion for me. That means as a commission that I make. So we're going to set up phone calls for conversion, and we're going to go there. We're going to select calls from ads using call extension. This is how you set up everything. So you go to continue. So when you are in continue, so Google will you just click on continue. Google will track every phone call. So wait for Google to do the magic for you. So sorry guys, my internet is very slow. Yes. So when you click here, you select phone calls. You select calls from ad extension. When you click here, it's supposed to give you access to go to the next page. This is where you're going to set up your conversion. Let's say plumbing. If you're wanting a plumbing services, here you're going to put the dollar amount. Let's say they're going to pay me $25. I say my conversion is going to be 25. And I set up for every one of them. And I set up for 60 seconds. You can put more second. If the offers say like 90 seconds, you put 90 seconds. And you say quit and continue. Now you set up your conversion. So Google will count this anytime someone call on the phone. If they spend 90 seconds, you make money. That's the beauty of this thing. Guys, I hope you find value from this. If you want my coaching, hit me on the comment and the Skype. We will do it together. Thank you. Bye-bye.